What's up, everyone? It's me, your Solitary John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. A mega love shout out mga ka-Jer-Romantics all over the world at isang happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Yes, and for today, we're back for another reaction video para sa Echoes of Elvis performance ni Jerome para sa Angel in Disguise. Ay, Devil in Disguise pala. I saw a lot of comment and request about this. Like, next is Devil in Disguise. Next is Devil in Disguise. So, hindi ko siya nag-gets agad na performance pala yun ni Jerome. Oo. So, nung sinerch natin siya, meron nga palang Devil in Disguise performance si Jerome para sa kanyang solo concert na Echoes of Elvis. And we're so excited to check that out. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, yun pala yun. You look like an angel. Oh, I think this is the opening of his concert, no? Kasi ito yung suot niya nun eh. Eh! Oh! Ah, naman talaga. May magandang likod pala ito si Jerome. Charis! Iba yung yung vibe, yung jive. Eh! Gusto ko yung mga pa-small taps na yun. Ganda talaga ng outfit niya dito, guys, no? Hey! Iba rin talaga yung mga moves na yan ni Jerome, eh. Iba yung beat, no? And of course, iba yung dalang energy, very energetic, plus the vocal was so good. Narinig niyo naman ang sigawan ng mga ka-Jer-Romantics natin, guys. Diba? At saka may pa-small kaldag pa doon sa Jerome, guys. Pati yung knee steps niya, no? Hey! Oh my God, balikan nga natin na very light yun. Ang cute ng part na yun, ha? Hey! Ha? Nakita nyo naman ang footsteps ng isang Jerome, guys. Yung footstep, oh. Iba yung vocal nuisance and technique talaga ng isang Jerome. Grabe. Diba? Hey! There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome for Devil in Disguise. Grabe yung groove, the move, and the vocal plus the outfit. Grabe. I love this outfit of the opening, guys. I don't know who's the designer, but it gives the Elvis vibe in a way na bagay kay Jerome. Tapos suot niya yung mga yung mga garlands from Hawaii and the scarves, 'di ba? So thank you so much for requesting this. I enjoyed watching it. It's very entertaining. Those movements ng hips, 'di ba? At saka yung mga knee moves ni Jerome, Plus, meron pala siyang maganda sa talikuran si Jerome. Charet! Grabe, but in all fairness, this is so good performance of Jerome. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo guys, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.